Hello everyone. So today I am going to implement this asteroid belt around the planet, as you can see in this demonstration. So you can see behind the cloud there is a belt of asteroid rotating around the world. So this is a Niagara particle system, and let's implement this from scratch. Right, so first I have imported this asteroid model. This shouldn't be high poly, it's a low poly model because we are not seeing the asteroid in close range, so it doesn't have to be detailed. So right, so let's create a new Niagara system using from selected emitters, and I'll choose this hanging particles NS asteroids. Right, so first thing is we don't need these hanging particles, so let me disable that. We don't need sprites, and add a mesh renderer. So here on the meshes I'll add this asteroid. So these are pretty big, so that's why I can see it like this. And now we have this shape, location, box, plane and sphere. Let me remove one of this and keep only this one. Here I'll change the sphere to a torus and large radius. Let me increase this like 10,000. Okay, so this is not the orientation of the ring we need to have. So let's change the axis, rotation mode, axis angle. Right, now this is the axis we need. Let me place this in the world. Right, not large enough, radius is not large enough. We have 4 zeros, let me add 2 more zeros. Right, here we can see the measures, but it's very faint, so they should be larger. See, they are tiny, so the scale is correct, I think. The ring radius is okay, I think, yeah. So on the initialized particle, mesh scale mode, random non-uniform. Let's try something like for the small x, minimum scale 20, maximum scale maybe 80 or 90. Right, now we can see, but they look pretty close actually. We can see even clouds behind it, so that means the radius should be increased. But if I add another 5. Right, now none of them are in front of clouds. Great. Okay, so now it's actually a line. So how about this is 25, 500,000. So they will be dispersed around. That scale seems okay, and they are like popping up, so they should have a much higher lifetime. So actually we don't have to see them popping up or like spawning or destroying. It's not necessary. It looks bad because asteroids are not like that. So lifetime, let's say something like 100 and 120, and spawn rate. Okay, so when we have high lifetime, we will end up with a large number of asteroids. So this is 50. Loop. How about 100? Actually that only matters for here. Right, but we still see them popping up, which is bad. So let's add a scale mesh size wise, no, not by speed, just a scale mesh size. We don't need anything related to sprites. We don't have mesh, just a scale mesh size. And here let's multiply this with a float and add a curve for the float, a curve with this shape. Let's add another key, set this to auto. This should be also auto. Zero 5. Right now we shouldn't see them popping up. Yeah, right. Now the next thing is they should rotate without staying in the same location. So with a very low speed, it shouldn't have a higher speed because they are rotating in a very large radius, but still we should see some rotation. So for that we can add this vortex velocity. Right, add new dependency module, apply initial process. Okay, apply initial process, apply, added here. So velocity amount, I don't really see any movement here, so let's try something like 50,000. No. I still don't see. Maybe we should disable this track. Yeah, now it does have velocity, but it's not rotating in the same axis as the, see, they are moving to the side, so that means vortex axis. Let's try x-axis. Alright, now it seems correct, but too fast. Let's reduce one more 0. Right, now it does have a subtle movement, but maybe some asteroids should rotate faster, some should rotate slower. So let's have some random velocity. Let me copy this value and random range float. Minimum this one, maximum maybe 5, 8. Right. See, some of them are moving faster now. Relatively. Okay. What else we should add? We do have this curl noise force, but I don't think that we can observe any effect from the curl noise because it's very low. Maybe 10,000. But now I think it does have some effect. But if we have a much higher curl noise, then it would make these asteroids deviate from this belt area, which is not good. Anyway, let's see. Let me add one more 0. See, they are deviating too much. Makes them more chaotic, which is not the way usually asteroids behave, I think. So yeah, let's reduce that extra 0 I added, and yeah, I think that's it. So here is our asteroid belt, and I'm gonna stop this episode right here. One more thing I want to try. Here let's have 5 as the main scale. Now we should see more variation of the scale, but you can adjust those things and test it yourself. Alright, so thanks for watching. As always, project files will be available in the Patreon page for download. Link would be in the description below. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. See you in another episode. Goodbye.